guys, here at my coyote set, no BS trap at Douglas Trap here. My first ever coyote, and we're just gonna try for a remake, try to catch another one. I don't know if he messed this up too bad or not, but we're gonna try it again since all this scent's here. Yep, first ever coyote. And actually I got another trap 100 yards that way, and I got a double on my first ever catch. Got a double. How about that? First ever catch. I thought this was night match, but I don't guess it is. Not deep enough. I'm working with real tough clay ground right here. Real tough clay. Got to put my got some peat moss here. Sprinkle in, 'cause I ain't got no good loose dirt to use, that's for sure. Trap's still moving. My trap is still moving. There we go. That's solided it up right there. See, I can't even press this dirt now, son. It's crazy. Still got some movement. Alright, that's good and bedded properly. may have made that trap a little too low, but we'll see what I can do. If I can get any dirt out of this. No sandy dirt. Right there. Let me go find some dirt real quick. I'll be right back. Sorry about that, guys. I had to go find some dirt. I'll edit most of that out where y'all ain't gotta wait that long to see some action. I don't know, about last time my trout was level with the ground. Now this has got a little impression. But we'll see what that does. That's it. We'll see if that does it. That dirt turn colors. See what we grab out. Some rage, Dunlap rage. I'm just gonna bait it. I ain't even gonna lure it because of the coyote scent here. I may come back and lure it in a week or so if I don't have no luck. Put them a good piece of bait in there. Good piece of bait in there. Yeah. Make them work for it. Alright guys, that's it. I ain't gonna put no piss or nothing. I'm just gonna leave it like that. Hopefully that'll do the trick. We'll go on to remake number 2. Appreciate it.